Welcome and thank you for joining us for an interview with Dr. David Hornbrook, a leader in the field of dentistry. Dr. Hornbrook, Dr. Hornbrook lectures internationally on all facets of aesthetic and restorative dentistry and has published articles in all of the leading dental journals. Before we begin, I would ask everyone to review the language in our safe harbor statement. I'm pleased to now turn the call over to Dr. Hornbrook.
Well, thank you, David. I'm excited to be here. I'm certainly excited to talk about a product that I feel so strongly about and I'm very passionate about. Tell you a little bit about myself for the listeners. I practice dentistry in San Diego, California. I've been in practice now 30 years, and I have a general practice with emphasis on primarily cosmetic dentistry. And being a fee-for-service provider, really it's important for me to be successful, or for me to be successful, is to provide excellent customer service and make my patients feel special. And that's where the wand comes into play, because it's different, and I'm offering a different service and a better service than some of the big corporate dental practices that can't offer the same customer feel and personal feel that I can in my own practice. The other aspect of my career is I educate all over the world to other dentists, and a lot of these are live patient programs where I actually get to bring the wand and show other dentists that maybe have never even had an exposure to the wand. I get to show them how to use it and the benefits that they then can take home to their patients. And I'll tell you, the experience I've had in that regard just blows these dentists away. I mean, typically from day one from dental school, we're taught, the injection's going to hurt your patient a little bit, and just tell them it's going to hurt and move forward. And when the average practitioner can see that these injections using the wand can be completely painless, your patient isn't stressed out about a needle, and you get profound anesthetic with less anesthetic. I mean, it's a mind-blowing situation for these doctors. So I'm excited about it, and I want to talk really what I consider the 5 focus points when I think what are the advantages of the wand in my dental practice. And I've been using the wand now for probably 15 plus years, and I have one in each operatory. I started out with one and realized that I need it for every single patient, so I had to put it in every operatory. And my dental hygienist uses it as well because of the benefits. Number one benefit I think is less patient anxiety, and I think everyone listening, and certainly almost everyone in the general population, if they get the concept or the visualization of a needle coming at them, they're going to have some anxiety. There's also some studies that show that there's a decrease in the pain threshold when a patient feels like they're going to get an injection. So the fact that the wand, even though it is a needle, isn't really a syringe getting an injection like traditional shots or injections, it eases the patient's mind. In fact, I actually show my patients the wand, and I show it to them. I say it's like a handpiece, like a pen. We don't use a syringe. No, even though it's a needle, they're relieved, and we've actually gotten referrals in our practice, which benefits everybody, from patients that say, he doesn't use the needle, he uses this magic thing called the wand. It's painless, the anesthetic doesn't last as long, and it's just a real boom. So less patient anxiety is number one for me. Second is less use of anesthetic. If I can use less anesthetic on my patients, I think that's a benefit for them. And the fact that I can direct the anesthesia to a single tooth with periodontal ligament injections, or I can put the wand's needle right at the site that the anesthetic needs to be placed, I'm giving much less anesthetic. I mean, typically if I was going to do a filling or a crown on a lower tooth, especially a lower molar, I might use 2 to 3 carpules of anesthetic. That's 5 milliliters, which is quite a bit. With the wand, just injecting around the tooth, I'm using less than a quarter of a carpule. So, people do react to anesthetic and the epinephrine in anesthetic. And if I can use significantly less, that's a huge benefit. Third is shorter anesthetic time. Again, typically for lower teeth, we're going to get what we call an inferior alveolar block, where for a single tooth, the patient has a numb tongue, at least half of it, and all the teeth on the lower side that I would be doing the dentistry. That sometimes can last several hours. So I could finish a filling or a crown in 30 minutes. I'm done with the patient, but the patient isn't done with me until the anesthetic wears off. Could be later in that day or 3 or 4 hours later. So the fact that I can use the wand and direct anesthetic into the periodontal ligament space called a PDL injection. And the nice thing about the STA, the single tooth anesthetic with the wand, is I know I'm truly in the correct spot. I can give the anesthetic in the tooth. I can get full anesthetic so I can do my dentistry. And literally there's no anesthetic follow-up time for that patient. The tooth is still numb, but the tongue is not numb, the lip is not numb, and the patient can function as normally, talk and eat, not drooling and not being able to control their tongue. So that's, again, another big one. As I mentioned, the IA block, the inferior alveolar block, the most common injection given in dentistry, because that's what we typically give anytime we do any dentistry on the lower arch, the mandible. Again, it's an anesthetic that requires, or an anesthesia technique that requires a lot of anesthetic. It's typically painful, and the anesthetic lasts a long time. And so if I can avoid that injection, the IA, and only direct my anesthetic to the teeth that I'm going to be working on, that's a huge benefit for me. And, on a business side, those are the patients that are going to thank me for the injection because it was painless and it didn't last very long. And also those are the ones that are going to refer. So as a clinical side, those are all benefits. And then on my practice side, not only is my team, my staff excited that we can offer this technology, the patients sense that, we get referrals, our office runs more smoothly. So I gave a lecture in Las Vegas about 6 months ago, and it was listed the 5 things I couldn't live without in my practice. One of them was my loupes, because I couldn't see teeth if I didn't use some magnification. Number 2 was the wand. And of all the things that I have, for me to list the wand in number 5 certainly says this is something that every dentist can benefit. So that's it. I hope that helped.
Great. Thank you very much, Dr. Hornbrook, for your time today, and thank you to everybody listening.